Okay, so tonight we're going to make some protein bowls, and I've already chopped up 3 small sweet potatoes, and as you can tell, I'm trying to get some grill marks on them. This would have been really good if I had cooked it in the cast iron skillet. It would have made some extra char marks on there, so y'all just remember that when you're making them. Next time I'll use my cast iron skillet. Next, I'm going to take up my sweet potatoes, and I'm going to fry up some ground beef chuck. It's 80-20, so I'm going to do that. I'm also going to add some taco seasoning while that's cooking. My husband doesn't care for this, so I'm going to set aside half for him. That's just plain with salt, pepper. I'm also going to throw in some onion while the ground beef is cooking. And I've already put some oil, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil while the sweet potatoes are cooking. I'll probably add a little bit as the meat and onions are cooking as well. And then these are going to be some toppings. I'm going to do some either pepper jack cheese or either some cheddar cheese. And we're going to have a little bit of sour cream. We're going to have to share this one. That's all we have. And some taco sauce or some guacamole salsa. I love this stuff, and I think it's going to be great. You can also use black beans or corn, whatever you'd like, as some extra veggies in there. So let's see how these protein bowls come out. Okay, after grating all that wonderful pepper jack cheese, I'm going to drain off my ground beef. We don't want to have that extra grease in our meat. So you'll see me draining that with some paper towels in just a minute. And next I'm just going to show you how I build the bowls. So I've got the ground beef mixed with onion. I have the sweet potatoes that I grilled on top of the stove with a little bit of olive oil, and then I have the condiments as toppings. I have the guacamole salsa and the Ortega taco sauce with some sour cream. Y'all, these protein bowls were delicious, and this is the first time I've done this, and thank you so much to my cousin April. She told me about making some protein bowls recently, and that really inspired me to make some. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please continue watching my channel. I'm going to have a new series coming up for decluttering my home room by room, and I hope you'll be looking for it. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.